we believe that with these investments as well as macroeconomic conditions getting better, we believe that we are well placed in the market to grow further.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Hercules Site Services CEO Brusque Korkmaz, as well as Chief Financial Officer Paul Wheatcroft. Brusque, Paul, very good to speak with you. And Brusque, I'll start with you. It sounds like a really positive trading update. Can you take us through it?
Thank you very much, Stephen. It was, really good year for us. Obviously, we can't get into too much before our full year results are issued next year. That is going to be 13th of January. But until then, we came up with this announcement because we had such a record year, amazing, busy. All of our team has been performing really well. And the main headline is that we expect to hit revenues of more than 105 million pounds for the year ended September 2024. This is a record for Hercules and a 24% increase on the prior year, where we saw sales of 84.7 million pounds. Also, on a personal level, Stephen, it's very important for us because I started this journey 16 years ago from a family spare bedroom, and hitting 100 million mark, I've never thought of that. And it's a huge, credit to our team. And yeah, I'm very proud of it.
Paul, just getting into the figures, what does this mean for the markets and for Hercules?
Yeah, well, Stephen, it means that we're beating market expectations, not just on revenue, but on adjusted EBITDA and PBT as well. In fact, the consensus from analysts for a financial year 2024 for revenue was 95.1 million, adjusted EBITDA of 4.5 million, and PBT of 0.6 million. So yeah, the announcement's clear, we're well ahead of all of those three. So we're very pleased with that. Each of the core divisions within the business has delivered increased organic revenues, underpinned by the company's ability to capitalize on continued growth in the infrastructure and the construction sectors. And as Brusque mentioned, yeah, it's worth saying again, we're expecting to report another record year when we do our results in January, showing that Hercules has continued to go from growth to growth.
Brusque, this obviously comes after the news that the company raised £8 million. Can you update viewers on that?
Yeah, thank you, Stephen. As we mentioned recently, the company raised £8 million through a placing and subscription. The fundraising showed strong confidence in Hercules as we work to strengthen our balance sheet and seize the market opportunities. As you're aware as well, Stephen, we have got quite a lot of investment coming in the UK infrastructure market. That has been over 750 billion pound investment being made. On top of that, there is further investments coming up as well, with the Net Zero T side coming up, as well as Sizewell C, which is our nuclear plant will be starting, and very many power and transmission projects as well. So we believe that with these investments as well as macroeconomic conditions getting better, we believe that we are well placed in the market to grow further.
That's great. And Paul, overall, how would you sum up the announcement?
Yeah, well, we're absolutely thrilled to have delivered growth well ahead of the market's expectations for the year. Once again, reaching new record highs and adding to our proven track record of achieving significant year-on-year growth. I think this is a testament to the team's ability to seize exciting organic growth opportunities, such as our entry into new labour supply markets and the highly acclaimed launch of the Hercules Construction Academy, as well as to execute on the opportunities presented through our recent M&A. So we think we have a lot to look forward to in the financial year 2025.
Well, I hope you'll keep us updated on any progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.